Hello dear friends. Today I am going to discuss about aryl halides. Myself Dr. V.R. Dangar, MEM Science and Home Science College, Rajkot. Let's to point. We will start paper 301 organic part in unit 2 chapter 3 of aryl halides. Let's start introduction of this chapter. Preparation by direct halogenation from diazonium salt, nucleophilic aromatic substitution reaction, benzene mechanism, other reaction of aryl halides, for example Hood's fatigue reaction, Fitting reaction, Ullmann reaction, relative reactivity of alkyl, allyl, benzyl, vinyl and aryl halides towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Let's start. What did you mean by aryl halide? Aryl means aromatic ring and halide means halogen. So aryl halides have a halogen atom directly bonded to an aromatic ring. The derivatives of arenes in which hydrogen of the aromatic ring or side chain has been replaced by a halogen atom, for example X here Cl, Br, I, F are known as aromatic halogen compounds. Organic compounds with a halogen atom attached to an aromatic carbon are very different from those compounds where the halogen is attached to an aliphatic compounds. While the aliphatic compounds readily undergo nucleophilic substitution and elimination reactions, the aromatic compounds resist nucleophilic substitution, only reacting under severe condition or drastic condition when strongly electron withdrawing groups are present ortho and para to halogen. Aryl halides. Aryl halides are halides in which the halogen is attached directly with carbon of an aromatic ring. Carbon halogen bonds in aryl halides are shorter and stronger than carbon halogen bonds in alkyl halides. Aryl halides directly attach with carbon of aromatic ring. It will be aryl halide. Our chapters deals with aryl halide. Let's start one by one slide. Now you can understand what is ARX. AR means aryl and X means halogen, Cl, Br, I, F, etc. which directly attach with aromatic ring. General formula of ARX aryl halide or RX alkyl halide. Here common name alkyl halide and aryl halides where RX means for example Ca3Cl. Its common name is methyl chloride. Generally RX means alkyl halide and it's when given IUPAC name haloalkane. This is known as methyl chloride or halogen derivative. General terminology of alkyl halide is RX and general terminology of aryl halide means ARX. Here X is represented as halogen atom. Halo is prefix used for the halogen. Dissociation energy of selected compounds: alkyl halide, alkene halide, and aryl halide. Here, dissociation energy means the energy needed to break every chemical bond in molecule and completely separate all its atoms. Alkyl halide, CH3CH2, ethyl halide, it is carried sp3 hybridization, alkene halide, sp2 hybridization, aryl halide, sp2 hybridization. Here CH2, CH3, CH2X, sp3 hybridization, X, sp3 hybridization, X is attached to primary carbon. So it is sp3 hybridization. Here vinyl halide also we named it sp. Here in second example, X is attached to double bond carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon. So in next example, aryl halide, X is attached to carbon with another tertiary carbon, but hybridization is sp2. Structure: haloalkanes, alkyl halide, a compound containing a halogen covalently bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon, given the symbol general Rx. Haloalkenes or vinylic halide, a compound containing a halogen bonded to an sp2 hybridized carbon, or haloarine or aryl halide, a compound containing a halogen bonded to a benzene ring, given the symbol aryl X. Nomenclature of aryl or alkyl halide. Number the parent chain to give the substituent and counter first the lowest number, whether it is halogen or alkyl group. Indicate halogen substituents by the prefixes fluoro, chloro, bromo and iodo, and list them in alphabetical order with other substituents. Locate each halogen on the parent chain by giving it a number preceding the name of the halogen. In haloalkenes, number the parent chain give carbon atoms of the double bond the lower set of numbers. Now let's discuss about IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. First of all, what is IUPAC rule or full form of IUPAC? IUPAC full form is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, IUPAC. So let's discuss about what is IUPAC rule. Longest chain which consists with halogen, then you give the number from that side, which side halogen contain least number. Substituent must be taken as or written in alphabetical or with parent compound. Therefore, Br, Cl, Fi, these are orders given. What is lowest summation or summest sum rule? In other words, what is lowest sum rule? For example, here this compound lowest sum is from front side, given numbering left to right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For example, here Cl is 2 position, Br 3 position, Ir 4 position. Therefore, 2, 3 and 4. The total sum of these numbers is 9. The lowest sum rule from front side, numbering left to right as well as right to left, we give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is sum of these number? Here first I in 5 position, Br in 6 and Cl in 7. Thus sum of this halogen atom is 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 80. Front side 9 total sum and right to left sum is 80. So lowest sum is from front side, numbering and name, list them alphabetical order from first B for bromine, then Cl, C for chlorine and then I for iodine. So correct name is 3 bromo, 2 chloro, 4 iodo octane. These are wrong name. We cannot given numbering as right to here left side.